AI Studio for Chatbots in 2026. If you want to create an intelligent chatbot for your website, business, customer support, or personal project, Google AI Studio makes the process much easier. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and access the dashboard. Choose a Gemini model that fits your chatbot's needs, such as handling conversations, answering questions, or providing customer support. Next, start a new prompt and define your chatbot's role. For example, you can tell the AI to act as a customer support assistant, a shopping assistant, a coding helper, or a virtual tutor. Adding clear instructions helps the chatbot respond more accurately and consistently. Now test your chatbot by asking different questions. Try simple and complex prompts to see how it responds. If the answers aren't exactly what you want, refine your instructions, add more context, or adjust your prompts until the responses improve. Once you're satisfied with the chatbot's behavior, generate an API key from Google AI Studio and connect the API to your website or application using Python, JavaScript, or another supported programming language. This allows your chatbot to interact with users in real time. You can also customize your chatbot by adding conversation history, connecting it to your own data, setting response rules, and integrating it with external tools or databases. Always test your chatbot thoroughly before making it available to users. That's how to use Google AI Studio for chatbots in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video.